Hi everyone. This house is absolutely unbelievable. The upgrades that we're going to find in this house right now, you're not going to find it in any other house. This house has got tiles on the bathroom walls that are Versace tiles. The floors throughout the house are high-end Italian porcelain. Upgraded toilets everywhere. Epoxy flooring in the garage. Check out these accent walls inside of the dining room. This wallpaper is very high-end. Now check out this absolutely crazy kitchen. These gorgeous cabinets were imported from Italy. And it continues. Highest end appliances, Sub-Zero, Wolf countertops and backsplash, both decked in very, very high quality. You have these amazing built-ins. Here you have a really cool Sub-Zero wine cooler. And then you have the cool, I call it a James Bond hidden bar. Look at this. You have a bar inside your kitchen, inside your cabinets. You're not going to find this anywhere. Then you got this awesome Sub-Zero and Wolf ovens. And then on the other side of the kitchen, you have this pantry. All this is super high-end. Comes from Italy. All these pull-outs, both sides. I love it. I'm sure you're going to love it as well. Now we head on to this beautiful backyard. Lakefront backyard with a beautiful pool between the house and the lakefront. And to the side of the house, this is an oversized lot. Check out how much space you have over here. You got a cabana bath over here on the right. And here you have these Versace tiles that I have never seen anywhere, but these bathrooms have Versace tiles. That's why we call this a designer home. Very, very nice home. This next upgrade is also absolutely amazing. Take a close look at this staircase. Between the iron, the glass, the wood, this creation was just about $100 grand. Okay, upstairs, pay attention to the nice Italian porcelain floors like downstairs, the cool accent walls. Over here you got glass and wood. The bedrooms have some three-dimensional accent walls and wallpaper. Pay attention to the closet organizers throughout, and also don't forget about the Versace tiles on the bathroom walls. Enjoy the rest of this video.